Okay, so now we're on page 6, the keyboard. The keyboard is made up of white keys and black keys. Everybody knows that. What a lot of people don't know is that there are directions on the keyboard. Towards the left is the down direction. Towards the right is the up direction. Black keys are in groups of 2s and 3s. Group of 2, group of 3, group of 2, group of 3. Now I switch hands, right hand, group of 2, group of 3, group of 2, group of 3, group of 2, group of 3. Using left hand, fingers 2 and 3, begin at the middle and play all the 2 black key groups going down the keyboard, playing both keys at once. So I'm going to take my left hand, fingers 2 and 3 only. This is 2, this is 3. And I'm going to play these 2 black keys. I'm going to skip these because that's a group of 3. These 2 black keys, skip these 3, these 2 black keys. Now we're going to play them again, and we're going to say step down as you play each pair. Step down, step down, step down. And now we're going to do the same thing with the right hand, starting with fingers 2 and 3, starting from the middle of the keyboard, both at the same time. Back to home base. Right hand fingers 2 and 3, right? Step up, step up, step up. Now we're on page 7, low sounds and high sounds. So we said already that this way is down and this way is up. Well, you could also say this way is lower and this way is higher. So the low sounds live towards the left, the high sounds live up to the right. Using left hand fingers 2, 3, and 4, begin at the middle and play all the 3 black key groups going down the keyboard, all 3 keys at once. So with the left hand fingers 2, 3, and 4, I'm going to place them on these 3 black keys. We're going to play them all together. And then I skip over these 2 because that's not a group of 3, it's a group of 2. I go to this group of 3 and I play the 3 notes together. Okay, now with the right hand, same thing over here, right hand, group of 3, group of 3, group of 3. Now I'm going to do the left hand again. This time I'm going to do it stepping down. Watch. Stepping down, stepping down. Right hand's turn, same thing. Stepping up, stepping up, stepping up. Now you're ready to learn your first song. First song's on page 8. It says, music is made up of short tones and long tones. We write these tones in notes and we measure their lengths by counting. So I like this book because every page you learn something new and you use that information right away. So on page 8 you have a blue rectangle that says quarter note, a short note. You can either count the 1 or you can say quarter in your head. Moving over a little bit on the same page, it says, when we clap or tap once for each note, we call it clapping or tapping the rhythm. Clap or tap the following rhythm, counting aloud. So it says bar lines divide the music into equal measures. So you've got straight up and down lines. In between those lines is called a measure. And then you have that line and the next bar line in between is also called a measure. Okay? So in each measure we have 4 quarter notes. So we would clap 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay? Now the song is called Right and Left. Play and say the finger numbers. So first things first, you always double check where your fingers are supposed to sit. So you look at the book and it shows a diagram. It's based off of middle C. So this note right here, this is called middle C. Now, is it exactly in the middle of the keyboard? No, it's a little bit left of middle. However, it's the C that's closest to the middle, so that's why we call it middle C. Now, on your keyboard, you'll be able to find it by looking for the blue screen, and it's the C that's closest to that. See the word tempo? There's a little down arrow there. I'm sorry, it's an up arrow. So right below the up arrow, you just go straight down, and that's middle C. Okay? So, we're using that as like a home base. That should be pointing at your belly button whenever you sit at the keyboard. Okay? And your right hand, fingers 2 and 3, are not going to sit here. They're going to sit 1 octave higher right here. And your fingers should always be out. Left hand fingers 2 and 3 are going to not be here. That's middle C. We're going to be down here. Fingers 2 and 3. Now you want to make sure your fingers are curved, your back is straight, your feet are flat on the floor like it said on the previous page. And we're going to start reading across the page from left to right. This first line is for your right hand. This second line is for your left hand. So we're going to start with the right hand, fingers 2 and 3. Ready? 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Now left hand's turn. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Now you can practice it with the other video with the background track.